So what should you do first? Be effective or be efficient? In my line of work, we have a hard rule that says, do not automate broken processes. And I think it also applies to life. Before we can be efficient, we need to be effective first. And as we know, being effective means doing the right things. So where do we start if we want to do the right things? What I would start first with is journaling. Journaling, when done correctly, offers you the chance to look at yourself from the third person's perspective. So if you do that, you get to be more self-aware. And with self-awareness, you get to know your strength, your weaknesses. You get to capitalize on your strength and improve on your weaknesses. And then eventually, you can use this strength to be effective at your work and in life. Kung alam mo kung saan ka malakas at mahina, you get to position yourself to your most favorable path. So start being self-aware and let's see where it goes.